Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by containing the problem immediately. Reboot into safe mode with networking and disconnect Wi-Fi if the ads keep popping. This prevents reinfection while you act. Once booted, export bookmarks and any saved passwords to an external drive so you don't lose access during cleanup. Make a quick note of the antivirus software installed and your operating system version. These details shape the removal steps and the tools you'll run next, so record them before proceeding. Now you perform the heavy lifting. Run Malwarebytes, Adwa Cleaner, and a second on-demand scanner. Quarantine every detection and reboot into safe mode again if required. Then, make sure to inspect each browser's extensions and remove unknown add-ons. Reset browser settings and clear cache and cookies to remove injected scripts. After that, check Task Scheduler, Startup entries, and the system hosts file for suspicious entries. Remove any entries added by the ad malware so it cannot persist after reboot. Finish by restoring normal operation and hardening the system. Reconnect the network, then update the operating system and all installed applications so known vulnerabilities are closed. Once updated, change important passwords and enable two-factor authentication where possible. Install a reputable ad blocker and an active antivirus with real-time protection. If intrusive ads still appear, create a new user profile to isolate settings. And if that fails, consider a clean OS reinstall. If problems continue, that reinstall is the one reliable way to guarantee removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.